Hi guys, just showing you an audio and video sample and the quality of the footage from the new GoPro Hero7 White. Only just picked this up about an hour ago, just trying it on the way back home just to show you. Obviously it's not going to be anywhere near as good as say the black model. But one thing I didn't notice or didn't find out before I purchased the thing was you cannot select 1080p video. Even with, and so I've had a look online on the GoPro website, the silver model and the white model are the same. You can only record in 1440p, and it's got a little star next to it on the website under the specifications. Basically when you scroll down the bottom of the screen, it says that it will be recorded in 1440p and you can do it in 30 or 60 frames per second, but then you have to downscale it yourself after to and just crop it basically to 1080p if you want that 16:9 aspect ratio. But anyway guys, this is the camera and there'll be a lot more videos to come. Mainly got this for my RC channel, but I thought I'd do a little video sample on this channel just to get this one going. Cheers guys, please subscribe.